Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas. I am first year undergrad of physics at IIT Kharagpur, and in this video I am going to show you how I used Arduino Uno, these breadboards and these keys and piezo to make a dizzy piano in Tinkercad. So to see how this piano works, let us start simulation. As you can see, there are 7 keys total in this left side, and these keys plays as do, re, mi, fa, do, le, ti, or sa re ga ma pa dha ni, as like any other musical instrument. And if you have ever used a musical keyboard, you must have noted that there are several keys. If you play these keys, some pre-recorded song automatically plays, and these two keys are just like them. So let us now listen to our first song. The first one is tune from the Pirates of Caribbean, and second one is Despacito song. I will tell you how I made this song later in this video. So let us start from first. And second one, let's hear it. You can see the light also glows here. There were 214 notes in this Despacito song, and it was not at all easy to make these two songs. It took me more than 2 days. And if you have listened in the middle, there was some error for the song, but I have tried my best to keep it as best as I can. Also, I have used some YouTube inspirations for these LEDs and the tune for Pirates of Caribbean, etc. So let us see how I made this piano. First, I connected each switch to every digital pins, and I used conditions in blocks as if for switch number, for example, if digital pin 6 is equals to 1, then place this tune for 0.5 seconds, and for each correct frequency I used internet to check correct frequency for each chords. Same for songs also. I search for songs chords, as I already play guitar, so I know chords for various songs, and then I search for each chord's tune and frequency, which you can find easily on net. The main problem was the wait time for the between two notes, which you have to find manually and which usually takes time. So if I go to the home page, you can see how I made this piano step by step. First of all, I made digital piano, and in these steps I added 1 songs and 2 songs. Now I'm working on another Bollywood song in this project. So this is the original project, and I have made this much copy because in first time when I was trying to add a song, my whole project was corrupted. So I learned from it and started to make copies and duplicate so that my progress is not lost. This is the code for my DG piano. You can see I had to do a lot of work to make this Despacito song. I tried to make the circuit simple by using just Piezo wire and Arduino in my previous project which I showed you earlier, and using blocks I made the song. I will tell you formula how to make the song also in this video, so be with me till the last. And then making this again using blocks in this project would have been very tedious, so I went to text option and copied all the code, and I had a very little knowledge of C, so I just followed the trend for these 7 pins which are made using blocks. I added if and the same conditions by changing the value to 5 because the wire is connected to the pin number 5, and then I copied the code which I copied from my previous simple piezo circuit. So how to make the song, you first need to know the chords of the song. You can search it on the internet, and the chord of and the frequency of each chord you can also find on internet. For example, 587, 493, these are the frequencies of each chord. And if you have for those who don't have knowledge of piano or something, actually you have to divide 1 second by the type of tone. For example, if it is a quadruple tone, you have to divide it by 4. If it is a duotone, you have to divide it by 2, and similarly you can find the tone period, and you can use formulas like delay equals to 1.2 times, 1.1 times, or 1.3 times the tone period. I have used formula as delay equals to 1.3 times of tone period, you can see. So actually using this formulas as delay will save a lot of time for you, but you have to sacrifice some accuracy. So this is actually a great tip to make songs on Arduino. I am also working on a Bollywood song, but it could not be created before the video. So let us now copy all the code and open Arduino IDE. So first of all, clear everything that is written and paste the code. I have selected the board as Arduino Uno, and so let us verify. You can see the compilation is completed without any error. So thank you for being with me till the last. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.